In this video, we're diving into how to set up memberships, courses, and communities using GoHighLevel. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel we cut through the fluff to help you build recurring revenue and engage your audience. Now, if you've ever wanted to monetize your expertise or create a private space for your customers to connect, you're in the right place. We'll explore how GoHighLevel's community tools let you create a paid course or community, customize access levels, and keep members engaged. By the end, you'll be ready to launch a membership program that adds value for your customers and income for your business. Why build a paid community or course? So e-commerce isn't just about selling physical products. Building a loyal community around your brand can really set you apart. When customers connect with you and each other, they're more likely to return and refer others. A paid course or membership offers deeper value, training sessions, exclusive content, and a sense of belonging. This structure creates stable, recurring revenue, which can help smooth out the ups and downs of seasonal sales. Overview of GoHighLevel's community feature. So GoHighLevel introduced a communities tool that sort of functions like a built-in social platform. You can create unlimited communities, customize the branding, and invite members. Communities support chat channels, file sharing, and announcements. They're integrated with GoHighLevel's CRM and automation features, so you can manage members and communications all in one place. Now, beyond free communities, you can create paid access options. You can link courses to communities, allowing you to sell educational content or exclusive resources. Members can purchase a course through your checkout page and automatically gain access to the community. This integrated approach simplifies management. There's no need to juggle multiple different tools. Planning your membership or course. Now, before jumping into GoHighLevel, you want to think about what kind of community that you want to build. Define your offer. Ask yourself this: what value will my members get? Is it educational content, networking, exclusive deals, or all of the above? How often will you deliver new content? Weekly live sessions, monthly Q&A calls, or a library of recorded materials? What price will you charge? Consider a one-time fee, monthly subscription, or some sort of tiered option. Having clarity on these points helps you design your community structure and content roadmap. Choose a pricing model. So, like we mentioned earlier, you can charge a one-time fee for lifetime access, or set up recurring subscriptions, or even offer a free trial. Now, each model serves a different purpose. A one-time fee is simple, and it can attract people who don't like recurring charges, as those are becoming more and more common. Subscriptions provide stable income and encourage ongoing engagement. Free trials lower the barrier to entry and let people experience your value before committing. Map your content. If you plan to include a course, outline the modules and lessons first. Decide whether to release all content at once or drip it over time. Some communities also host challenges or workshops. Plan a calendar of events so members know what to expect and have something to look forward to. Creating your community. All right, now it's time to dive into GoHighLevel. Step 1, access the community sections. Now, if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you can click the link down below in the description to get started with a free 14-day trial. So you can get signed up and access all of the features that GoHighLevel has to offer, which is a ton, and see if it's going to work for you within the first 14 days. Again, we'll leave a link for you down in the description below, which will bring you to this page right here. All right, once you're logged in your GoHighLevel dashboard, we'll navigate to the Communities tab. So to do that, over here on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Memberships, and then up here we have the Communities, and here we can go ahead and click on Create a Community. So you want to give your community a name, you can give it a custom URL if you'd like, and a brief description of what the community involves. These details appear on the sign-up page and just help set expectations for potential members. Step 2, customize branding and appearance. You can upload your logo and choose your brand colors. You can set a cover image that appears at the top of the community page. This visual consistency helps members recognize your brand and feel at home. So we'll go ahead and create a community group. We'll call this My First Community Group. And there it's going to go ahead and create a URL for it. For our description, I'm just going to put a place to hang. Now, obviously, you want to make an actual description of what this community is going to entail, but for this example, I'm just going to, keep it brief here. And down here below, this is the branding area. You can go ahead and upload your favicon. So this is the little icon that shows in the tab. So as you can see up here in the left, GoHighLevel has their logo that they also have on their website here. So, it's a nice little extra touch. And once you're aware of that and you start to see people that don't have it or just like the default one, like a lot of times you'll see people with a WordPress favicon and they have a WordPress website and they just haven't changed it and it just looks really unprofessional. It's a tiny little thing and it's so easy and they make it really easy. So all you need to do is go ahead and upload that right here. And this is where you're going to upload the cover image as well as your logo. Now, once you're happy with everything, go ahead and click on Create Group. Step 3, set membership options. So decide whether the community is free or paid. If it's paid, choose between a one-time fee and a subscription. Enter the price, billing frequency, and optionally you can include a trial period. You can also limit membership to a specific number of seats or just keep it wide open. Step 4, create chat channels. Communities can include multiple chat channels. For example, you can create a general discussion channel for casual conversation, announcements for official updates, Q&A for questions about your products, and resources for sharing files or links. You can restrict who can post in certain channels to keep things organized as well. Okay, so here we are inside of the group, and over here, this is where you can go ahead and add channels. So again, you can go ahead and add a channel. We'll go ahead and call this general. So this could be for general chatting. And again, you can make this channel private. You can make it read only. So that's good for like announcements and stuff. So we can go ahead and create that channel, create a new channel. Maybe we'll call this announcements and we'll make that a read only. Come here, maybe we'll have Q&A, and this is where they come to ask questions. And so again, it's just a nice way to go ahead and stay organized and keep things nice and tidy. Step 5, invite members. So you can manually invite members by email or share a public link. If you're selling access, the checkout link will automatically add new buyers to the community. Set up automated emails to welcome your new members and guide them to the right channels. Creating courses. Now, if your community includes a course, here's how to set it up. Step 1, create a course. Go to the Learning tab and GoHighLevel and click Create Course. Enter a course title and description. Think of the description as marketing copy. Explain what learners will gain and why it matters. So back here in GoHighLevel, we'll go ahead and come back under the membership and we'll come to courses. And this is where we can go to, we'll just start on dashboard here. And we'll go ahead and go to products. And here we can create a new product and we can click start from scratch. And this is where you go ahead and create your course. So you can create a sprint membership, you can create a marathon course, or you can create a membership here. For this example, we'll go ahead and just do a sprint course. We'll go ahead and click on start building. We'll just leave it sprint course for now, just to kind of show you around. And this is what the inside looks like. Step 2, add modules and lessons. So split your course into modules, sections, and lessons, the individual units. Each lesson can include text, videos, PDFs, or quizzes. Just upload your content or embed your videos from hosting platforms. You can also drip lessons, meaning they unlock on specific dates or after certain progress markers. So here inside of GoHighLevel for this sprint course we're creating, you can see we have different sections here, right? So this whole section has all these lessons within there. But if we wanted to, we can click right here. We can go ahead and click the plus sign right here to click add subcategory. And that's a way that you can have, your own like further organization within this area. So if we come here, we'll click plus here, we go create a new category. We'll just call this category so we can see the hierarchy here. And there you go. So here's a category. And again, if we click plus here, we can add a subcategory. We'll type in subcategory, click save, didn't even spell that right. Then here we can add in a lesson, and there we go. So the lesson is sort of the smallest level in the hierarchy, and the category is the highest level, and we got a subcategory in between there. Step 3, price your course. Set the price. So choose between a one-time fee or a recurring subscription if your course is part of an ongoing program. You can also offer it for free as a lead magnet if your goal is to build your community. Step 4, link the course to a community. Within the course settings, select the community that you want to link to. Students who purchase the course will automatically get access to the community. This integration is seamless and reduces administrative tasks. Step 5, test your checkout. Before you go live, make sure to run through the checkout as a student. Make sure the payments work, emails sent correctly, and the course and community unlock as intended. Use test mode if you want to simulate payment without having to charge yourself. So to go ahead and make that connection, here we are in the membership area. We'll come to this My First Community community group. This is the first group that we made. And if we click on learning here, we can go ahead and add a course. And then here we can go ahead and select the course. So we just called that sprint course. So go ahead and select that and add course. And now this is part of this community. Sweet. Now to be able to actually sell this, we'll come back here to this screen and we'll come to courses and we'll go to offers. And here we'll go ahead and click on create offer and we'll call this community plus course. We'll select the product. We'll select the sprint course. We'll make it free for now because I don't have a payment selected to this, but you can go ahead and charge for that if you'd like. And go ahead and click on create. And there you go. And then you can go ahead and edit this information here and click save. So to go ahead and charge for your community, what you can do, you can come over here and come to settings and we'll come to subscriptions. And this is where you can go ahead and add price. So you can come in here and this is where you can go ahead and change this. So you can maybe $20 per month. So you can select the recurring type, whether it's one time or recurring. You can do trial days. So maybe you want to do like a 3-day free trial. And a billing period, you can do monthly, annually, or weekly. Advanced access options. GoHighLevel offers more than just basic access. You can set different unlock methods for your courses. All members. So this option makes the course available to everyone in the community. It's useful for free communities or when the course is included in a membership package. Level unlock. Members can unlock content by earning points or reaching a certain level through community engagement. This gamification encourages participation. For example, require members to comment on posts or complete tasks before accessing advanced modules. Buy now. Set a price and require payment to unlock the course. You can choose a one-time fee or subscription and even offer payment plans. This works well for premium courses. Time unlock. Release content after a set number of days since a member joined. This feature keeps members engaged over time. For instance, you can release a new module every week for 8 weeks. Engaging your community. Once your community and courses are live, keep members involved. Post regular updates. Send announcements about upcoming events, new lessons, or special offers. You can use tags to notify specific groups, like students in a particular course. Encourage discussions. So ask questions, respond to comments, and create polls. People join communities to interact, so facilitate conversation. Recognize active members to encourage participation. Host live sessions. Schedule live Q&A sessions for workshops. Live interaction builds relationships and adds value beyond pre-recorded content. You can use Zoom or GoHighLevel's built-in meeting tool. Provide resources. So share worksheets, templates, or bonus materials. Exclusive resources give members a reason to stick around and justify the membership fee. Managing members and payments. Running a paid community involves administrative tasks. Track membership status. GoHighLevel's CRM shows each member's status, active, trial, or canceled. You can see their join date, payment history, and course progress. Use this information to reach out to members. You can also use it to reward loyal customers. Handle cancellations and refunds. So set clear refund policies. If a member cancels, decide whether they lose access immediately or at the end of the billing cycle. GoHighLevel automates access removal based on your settings. Offer trials and coupons. You can create discount codes or free trial periods to encourage signups. Trials allow potential members to experience the community before committing. Track coupon redemptions to see which promotions work. Here are some best practices for successful communities. Deliver consistent value. Whether it's through courses, live sessions, or discussions, keep delivering value. Members should feel their subscription is worthwhile every single month. Foster a positive culture. Set community guidelines to promote respect and inclusivity. Report spam or inappropriate content promptly. Encourage members to help each other. Gather feedback. Ask members what they like and what can be improved. Use surveys or direct messages for this. Adjust your content and structure based on the feedback you get to keep that community vibrant. Offer multiple engagement paths. People learn differently, so provide videos, written materials, audio files, and live sessions. Allow members to choose how they consume your content. Common mistakes to avoid. Overloading members with content. Too much material can overwhelm people, so pace your lessons and events so that they can absorb what you offer. Neglecting newcomers. First impressions really matter. Make sure new members get a warm welcome and clear instructions on where to begin. Lack of boundaries. If you're always available, you might burn out. So set office hours or designate community moderators to help manage conversations. Ignoring analytics. Pay attention to metrics like active members, course completion rates, and churn. These numbers tell you what's working and what needs improvement. So, GoHighLevel makes it easier than ever to create a paid course or community. We discuss the benefits of building a membership, how to plan your offer and pricing, step-by-step instructions for creating communities and courses, advanced access options, tips for engagement, member management, best practices, and common mistakes. With the right strategy, a paid community can really strengthen customer relationships and provide reliable income. So, are you ready to turn your expertise into a thriving community? If so, start planning your membership today and watch your brand grow. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.